Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office, and it's a very chilly, snowy, and icy start to the day, and we have no school, so we are home together just enjoying a cozy afternoon, and I am excited to share with you the February Joyful Jordan box. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. The Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. It's $29 for the box, and if you subscribe monthly, then you get free shipping, and it is guaranteed to have at least $39 worth of value to the box every month. And I love that you get to try some new or different products that aren't in the catalog, plus you get some of your favorites. So it's a great way to try Jordan Essentials. All of the products are made in Nixa, Missouri at the home office, and they use plant-based ingredients, no toxic chemicals or ingredients, so it's really healthy for you and your whole family. And I'm really excited because this February Joyful Jordan box is valued at $47. It's a really great collection. So it's going to come in this cute box, and when we open it up, this little box of awesomeness, which is also great for gifting, has some really wonderful items for face care this month. So in the month of February, which is a great time to talk about self-care, the card that's in the box, and each box will come with a card like this. It'll have some sort of image or quote on the front, and then on the back it's going to tell us a little more about the products in the box. So for February, it says, "Healthy skin is always in at Jordan Essentials." And when we turn it over, we see this box comes with a complexion bar, our detoxifying clay mask, age-defying serum, and the anti-aging collagen under eye gel pack. So let's take a look at these a little closer. It says, "Discover your natural skincare basics that balance your skin and leave you feeling like you have a professional facial." And that's one of my favorite things about the Jordan Essentials line, is that I can do a lot of spa and self-care treatments right at home at my convenience, and I don't have to drive, I don't have to pay extra. I just take care of it and enjoy some quality time at home. So the complexion bar is our oatmeal milk and honey cleansing bar, and it says, "You will love this creamy, gentle facial wash bar that actually deep cleans pores and exfoliates, leaving skin smooth with no residue. Good for all skin types." And this is such a good, nourishing, glycerin-based bar. It has the wonderful oatmeal in it, and it has our oatmeal milk and honey scent, which is my all-time favorite scent from the company. So this is in our catalog. This is a really nice chance to try this product out. Plus you get to try some of these other great products as well. So that's a good start to our box so far. The next item is the detoxifying clay mask, and this is in a cute little travel size. So normally this comes in a 4-ounce tube, but here for this Joyful Jordan box, we're going to get the 2-ounce travel size tube. So for the detoxifying clay mask, it says, "When used weekly, draws out bacteria and pollutants to deep clean pores. If you have oily, blemish-prone skin, a bentonite clay mask is especially beneficial." And I love the way that our detoxifying clay mask feels. It actually makes my skin feel kind of plumped and nourished when I'm all finished. Plus it has the great detoxifying elements with that bentonite clay. And it's a fun one to do right before your shower, so then you can just shower it off. But I also do it sometimes in the morning with my coffee, and that's my little self-care moment in the morning before everyone wakes up and it's time to get going with our day. So that's really cool that we've got that in there and the smaller size to try it out. The next item is our age-defying serum. So this is another product that's in our regular catalog, but not in this size. So this is a 0.5-ounce bottle. And it says, "Your daily serum to pH balance before applying makeup, smooth skin, and create youthful skin with natural ingredients that protect and reduce fine lines and wrinkles." And I was so excited to see this in the box because I have been out for a couple of weeks and I just hadn't gotten around to reordering. I love using our age-defying serum as my primer to go on before my Jordan Essentials makeup. So I was really happy to see I've got one in this month's Joyful Jordan box that I can just start using right away. But also if you travel, this is a really nice little 1/2-ounce travel size tube to use. And then the final item is a really fun bonus item in my opinion, and it is our anti-aging collagen under eye gel pack. This is not in the catalog, so this is a bonus item that you can only get by ordering the February Joyful Jordan box in 2023. And it says, awaken tired, dull eyes with revitalizing collagen and cooling gel patches. Apply under eyes for 10 to 20 minutes to restore hydration, refresh eyes, and reduce wrinkles. Use in combination with a soak in the bath for the perfect self-care experience. So what a fun thing. You can actually carefully open this and slip the package inside of a resealing bag, and then after you've used the eye gels once, you can slip them back into this little tray with that beautiful rose oil hydrating serum in there, and it'll soak it back up, and you can get a couple more uses out of the under eye collagen packs. So that's really fun too, that we've got that bonus item in there. And overall, I would say this is just an excellent box to try out some of our face care items, maybe get some of your favorites in travel size, or get the bonus item that's not in the catalog, and really take some time in the month of February to pamper and take care of yourself right at home. So if you are interested in ordering your own Joyful Jordan box, I'll have my link down in the description below, and that'll take you right to my website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer those. Have a good one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.